Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to save PDF here on Evernote. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Evernote, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Saving notes as a PDF here in Evernote is a simple process that is very helpful, making it a useful practice in various situations because PDFs can be viewed in virtually any device or platform. You can share notes with others who may not use Evernote. Okay, so for you to be able to save a PDF, all you have to do is hover to the notebook and go to the notes that you wanted to save as a PDF. All right. In my case, if you haven't already, just click the create new note. Let's create a new note that we can share to or to save as a PDF. All right. And then I'm gonna add some image here. Now, for you to be able to do that, it's quite easy. Go to the top right corner, click the three dots icon. You see, there is an option that says print note, right? If you click that, what will happen is you need to click the arrow beside the print option, all right? If you click that, what will happen is it would forward you to this section, all right? Now, you see, Evernote is now or has been converted to a PDF document with a file size of 214 kilobytes. Now in this section, you can forward it to AirDrop, messages, mail, even to OneNote if you want, or even to Evernote or Gmail, Skype, Google Keep, Viber, Messenger, Animator, and a lot more. All right, so that's the easiest way for you to be able to save the as a PDF. All right. Now, if you click the more option right here, what will happen is you can choose from any of the following options, all right, for Gmail, Viber, Messenger, and a Mirror, WhatsApp, and Zoom. All right, so basically that's how you save a PDF document here in Evernote. Now, as you can see, PDFs are easy to archive and organize. By saving important notes as PDFs, you can keep a permanent record outside of Evernote, safeguarding your data in case of app-related issues or account problems. You might want to also share this note to your client, or if you are in a collaborative environment, share this to your team members, or if you're working with multiple freelancers. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.